Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30226, and this is the City Police Helicopter. Now, if you enjoyed this kind of video, the whole Polybag build-along thing, please think about subscribing, because the current plan is to do one of these a day for the foreseeable future. So if you like this kind of thing, there's more on the way. Also, if you're interested in this particular set, there are links in the description where you can find this set on Amazon and on Bricklink. And there's also a brick set description if you want just general information about this particular set. Alright, so step one is we put together our helicopter pilot, and he seems generally pretty happy about being a helicopter pilot. And let's find him some legs, and once again we got a helmet with a visor. So helmet and a visor. I gotta say, this guy looks a little bit more reasonable than the last guy. I don't know about sunglasses plus a visor. I feel like that's just too much. Alright, so we're good to go with the helmet. And we got our guy ready. Now let's let this stuff over here and take a look. Okay, so step one, we build a little frame. Now, I wonder when this is from, because they have a piece that pretty much looks like this, that looks like this frame we're building, like as one piece, but I don't know, maybe they were going for a more generic solution and not the specialized one. Alright, so that takes care of that, and then like so, and a couple of yellow lights, which I'm assuming are going to be to alert people to things they need to be alerted about. Alright, takes care of that, and then it seems like there's a lot of empty space in this. I don't know. I'll tell you one thing. Can y'all see this? I really like this color. I guess it'd be dark blue translucent. I like the color of these bricks a lot. I might have picked up a number of them from Bricklink. If y'all haven't actually ever tried Bricklink, this isn't like advertising for them or anything, but I mean, I can tell you that the little kid in me, ooh, if like 12-year-old me had access to Bricklink, ooh, the things that I could have built, I would have been nearly unstoppable. I mean, just wow, so many things you can build, and you just order the pieces you need. The only issue that I've had with Bricklink is that a lot of times, well, there's actually two issues that I've run into frequently with Bricklink. The first issue is that I'll have a great idea for something to build, and then I'll go on this mad hunt to accumulate all the pieces I need, and by the time all the pieces come in the mail, I've kind of like gotten distracted with something else, and I end up coming back to whatever I was going to build like later, but still it's not immediate. The other thing is I also kind of get distracted sometimes on Bricklink and just get a bunch of stuff. And I've done that before, like, oh, I need to get a bunch of these things in this color because I know I'm going to do something with that, like for sure. And, well, sometimes it works out, sometimes not so much. The upside is Lego pieces don't really ever like go bad, so it's not like it's a giant tragedy if you have extra Legos around. I mean, like, some might say it's the opposite of a tragedy. It's like a wonderful, happy thing. Alright. So let's put the lights on our helicopter. Like so. Oh, man! We're going to have another cockpit kind of cover thing like the last one. I do not like that. I don't like that at all. Alright, so we also have another one of the... Oh, it stuck to my glove. That was helpful. So, we also have another one of these weird little light things. And I like the lights like this, but the ones where they're the kind of like the weird yellow lights, just clip to the front, I'm not super crazy about that. Yep. Alright. Oh, I totally forgot about the back part while I was doing this. So, I got distracted doing other things, and I forgot that there's actually a back part to this. So, there's this stuff, and there's this stuff, and there's those two pieces, like so, and like so. Alright, so that takes care of that. So that gets us to right here. And then next, we gotta build the back wing portion, which is actually kind of painless and pretty easy and quick. So for that, we have the ever-present space laser guns. These were guns for so many spaceships. And then we have this, that. Another one of my favorite is blue pieces. And then this is going to be for our helicopter blade, I'm sure. And that goes there. So that takes care of that. And then this is going to sit right here on top of this, like so. That actually sits pretty good. Alright, I'm pretty happy with that. And then after that, pop the propeller. And the other one. So take care of those. And then two more super cool blue, dark blue translucent pieces. I like the color of this a lot. It just kind of, I don't know, I happen to like the color. And then we finish off the rotor. And we stick the guy inside where he can drive it. And then we stick this on. And I don't like this. I don't like this option. Let's see. Well, does it look any better? No. It does not look any better. So, except for this, I like this. I don't know. Oh, extra pieces wise, we get extras of these. So yeah, I mean, like, it's not a bad helicopter. I just wish they'd do something besides this particular choice for the front of the cockpit. Anyway, let me know what you think. Is this going to be an addition to your city or not? I mean, like, it looks pretty good except for this. And this actually doesn't look bad. I just don't think I like the implementation of it. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.